too fast. You need to see what's coming and not start going out of the pista.
Looks like a car's been down here.
Yeah, but some time ago. See, there's more snow now.
I would say that those guys aren't going to make it.
No, they're not.
One fuck up and we're fucked.
Yeah, and I cannot go back. There's no way I can do it backwards. Yeah.
Or do they know where to go?
I will explain to them, but first of all, let me get out of this.
Yeah, concentrate.
Every time there's a small, like, uphill, that's where I can get stuck. As long as you keep moving, you're okay, but once you're stuck, that's when you're fucked.
You've also got a much better car than the Nissans.
Yeah. You know, well, for example, if they're here, then they'll probably make it. But the first part, I'm afraid. The thing is, just hope that the road, when we hit the road, it's better.
Estamos en la mitad de la nada. Gaby se fue a buscar el camino, pero no está seguro por dónde es que es el camino. Quiere asegurarse pues que vamos bien. Los otros nos están esperando al principio y no creo que vengan. Los carros de ellos no van a...
No, seguro que no vienen.
Seguro que no vienen esa... Mira, ahí está de regreso. Llegó. Pues noticias buenas, espero.
Okay, listen.
We're lost.
Not good. Not good.